Hey there, welcome to our video on the top 8 monthly dividend stocks. Are you looking for a reliable source of passive income that comes in every month? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to introduce you to the top 8 monthly dividend stocks that can provide you with just that. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and tips. Investing in dividend stocks is a great way to generate passive income. But what if you could receive dividend payments every month instead of quarterly? Monthly dividend stocks offer just that. These stocks provide a steady stream of income, which can be especially helpful for retirees or anyone looking to supplement their regular income. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 8 monthly dividend stocks that you can invest in today. Shaw Communications Incorporated. Shaw Communications Incorporated is a Canadian telecommunications company that provides internet, television, and phone services. The company has a monthly dividend and has increased its dividend payout for 8 consecutive years. Shaw Communications Incorporated offers a current dividend yield of 3.01%. Stag Industrial Incorporated. Stag Industrial Incorporated is a real estate investment trust that focuses on industrial properties. The company has a portfolio of over 460 properties in the United States and has increased its dividend payout for 10 consecutive years. Stag Industrial pays a monthly dividend and offers a current dividend yield of 4.31%. Realty Income Corporation. Realty Income Corporation, also known as the Monthly Dividend Company, has a long history of paying monthly dividends to its shareholders. The company invests in commercial properties and has over 6,500 properties in its portfolio. Realty Income has increased its dividend payout for 53 consecutive years and offers a current dividend yield of 4.69%. Pembina Pipeline Corporation. Pembina Pipeline Corporation is a Canadian energy infrastructure company that operates pipelines and facilities for oil and gas transportation. The company has a monthly dividend and has increased its dividend payout for 8 consecutive years. Pembina Pipeline Corporation offers a current dividend yield of 5.92%. Main Street Capital Corporation. Main Street Capital Corporation is a business development company that invests in small to medium-sized companies in the United States. The company offers debt and equity financing and has a diversified portfolio of over 200 companies. Main Street Capital Corporation pays a monthly dividend and has increased its dividend payout for 11 consecutive years. The current dividend yield is 6.56%. LTC Properties Incorporated. LTC Properties Incorporated is a real estate investment trust that invests in senior housing and healthcare properties. The company has a diversified portfolio and has increased its dividend payout for 9 consecutive years. LTC Properties pays a monthly dividend and offers a current dividend yield of 6.18%. Gladstone Investment Corporation. Gladstone Investment Corporation is a business development company that invests in small to medium-sized businesses in the United States. The company offers debt and equity financing and has a diversified portfolio of over 100 companies. Gladstone Investment Corporation pays a monthly dividend and has increased its dividend payout for 16 consecutive years. The current dividend yield is 6.91%. AGNC Investment Corporation. AGNC Investment Corporation is a real estate investment trust that invests in agency mortgage-backed securities. The company has a diversified portfolio and has increased its dividend payout for 9 consecutive years. AGNC Investment Corporation pays a monthly dividend and offers a current dividend yield of 13.05%. Well, that's a wrap on our top 8 monthly dividend stocks. We hope you found this video helpful in your search for reliable passive income. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and tips. And if you want to learn more about these monthly dividend stocks and other investment opportunities, make sure to check out the link in the description below. There you'll find more valuable information and resources to help you on your investment journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.